Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. Let me turn this audio down here. Let's see, audio button, volume down. There we go. I tell you, since I've been sick and I'm getting better now, so trying to get things going again. So many things have seemed to have broken, and I came down here in my radio room and fired up my radio, and I couldn't get anything on it. It was like I was running SDR Uno, and it was like dead on all bands. There was nothing. And I'm like, what is going on? I'm like, well, I haven't used this radio in a couple of months, and we've had some storms. Maybe the antenna is shot. And so I tried different antennas. Totally have to figure out where they were in my workshop, where the cables were. Still didn't get much improvement, and I said, okay, let me go look at somebody else's radio on the internet. And this is one that I use as a check. It's KG4BUT, which is almost always on. He uses a Megaloop antenna, and he's in Orlando, Florida. I'm in Clearwater, Florida. And so I brought him up, and I'm like, whoa, I don't see much. Oh, there's a couple of signals. Oh, 15 megahertz. Now, granted, it's already 10 a.m. in the morning, which means shortwave will not be very good. But at least the local stations like Miami, down in Miami and Cuba, WRMI, I can usually get them to some degrees. I could get anything. If you look over here, there's a cluster right here at 6 megahertz of stations normally within my reach. Most of them Spanish. And you can see there's nothing there, nothing but noise. And the other thing I did is I went to I thought I had it up here. Now it's gone. Let me find it again. Solar flux index. See if the solar flux was messed up. Okay, solar flux index is 233. Anything above 100 is good. The A index is 6, a little high, but not bad. And the K index is 1.6. That's excellent. So solar conditions are good, and I don't know what's happening. I noticed that there's been some YouTube videos about solar conditions being kind of strange. Well, might be. And so I hooked up my Megaloop antenna again, and I hooked up my Grundig radio, and I tuned it to 50. Whoa, look at this. See, this signal now is dying. I hooked it up to 50. I set it up to 15 megahertz, and I got it on. So that's working pretty good. Again, it's late in the morning. But I started this little fiasco about an hour and a half ago, figuring I'd get at least something down here in this range, but nothing. So I don't know what's going on with shortwave. Guess my radios and my antennas are okay, because I am receiving this same signal, 15 megahertz, but as you can see, there's nothing else here. Let me see if I can. Yeah, there's nothing. Look at this. Band is like empty. I don't understand. So let's go back to the map for a second. And, oh, that's a close-up of him. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. This is what I wanted. Okay, let me close this one and go to map and see what else we got in Florida. Now this is the one I picked, Orlando, Here's another one that I've used. Now let's pick one down here on, well, this is on the coast. Okay. We'll pick that one. Whoops. That's in Melbourne. And see what he's getting. Okay, click to start. Yep. And we'll move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. Gotta zoom out here. We'll zoom out. Zoom out. No, this is supposed to be zoom out, but it ain't zooming out. Okay, well, let's see. Let's select the band. 41 megahertz. Not that one. Gotta go up higher. 31 megahertz. That's 9. 25. Nah, it's still not high enough. Why can't I zoom out? It's all grayed out. Well, let's use another one. You won't let me do what I want to do. Oh boy, I tell you, life really gets complicated. Okay, let's try him. I say let's try him. Okay, click, yeah. Now we can zoom out. Way out, way out. Okay, same thing. See, nothing there. He's not even getting WWV at 15 megahertz. So I'm going to conclude it's not my radios and antenna. They're just something weird going on shortwave. Granted, it's not the right time of day to be listening to shortwave. You got to listen to it early morning or late afternoon. So I'll try later today and see if this comes back. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.